In today's video, we are going to look on how to set up a room within Gmail. Rooms are Google collaborative spaces where you can share files, share tasks, and communicate with your coworkers. So how do we set up a Google Room? First and foremost, you can do this by either create or find the room, or you click on the plus and then you click on create room. Here is where you will be setting up your room. So first thing that is always important to do is to input the name of your room. This is always up to you to decide. And there you can always add, if you want to, a little emoji that are available. And then very importantly, you need to add the name of the people with whom you will be sharing this room. So as I'm currently doing here, you always have a little bit of an option that will be brought down. And then the last two options that are very important to do are, do you want to have thread replies, meaning it's going to organize a conversation into different topics, very similar to emails? If yes, you simply need to click on the box. And then the other one is if you want to allow people from outside of your organization to be able to participate in your rooms. And if yes, once again, you simply need to click on the box. And when all of that is done, what you do, you need to click on create, and that is how you set up a Google Room in Gmail. That will be all for today. Thank you very much. Have a good day.